Are you tired of having your messages scattered all over your inbox? We have the solution for you. Introducing Threads, the ultimate messaging app that will help you organize your conversations easily and efficiently. Let's start with grouping conversations. With Threads, you can easily categorize your messages based on topics, events, or people. Simply create a group and add relevant conversations to it. This allows you to declutter your inbox and find specific messages in no time. Next, let's talk about tags. Threads allows you to assign tags to your conversations, making it even easier to find and manage messages. Whether it's a project, a priority, or a specific topic, tagging helps you stay organized and ensures important messages are never missed. Another handy feature of Threads is its notification management. You can customize your notifications to receive alerts only for important conversations or mute less important ones. Say goodbye to constant distractions and hello to uninterrupted focus. And of course, let's not forget about the powerful search function. Threads lets you search for specific messages, keywords, or even attachments. Whether you need to find an important document or a funny meme, you can easily locate it within seconds. So there you have it. With Threads, you can finally take control of your messages and keep everything organized and easily accessible. Say goodbye to inbox chaos and hello to efficient message organization. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy messaging with Threads.